In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Steam Store not working. So if you're trying to access the Steam Store and you're getting a black screen or just nothing's loading in general, then what you need to do to fix this is come over to Steam in the top left hand side and click on Settings. Then from the left, scroll down and select Downloads, and then scroll down to where you see it Clear Download Cache, and you just need to press the Clear Cache button like so. And then go ahead and press confirm. So that will shut down your Steam application, and then what that's going to do is automatically load it back up. Now what we're going to do is just close out of Steam by pressing this X button here, and then you need to locate the Steam shortcut on your desktop, and we're going to right click on this and select Run as Administrator. And now when the Steam application opens back up, that should have now fixed any store issues you were having. If it's not working, then what you can do instead is click on this Enter Big Picture mode in the top right hand side of the screen, and for some reason sometimes entering this mode can also solve the issue for you. If you want to exit out of big screen mode, then you just need to press Alt plus Enter on your keyboard, and that's going to go ahead and put you back to window mode. And if you have tried all of these steps and nothing is working, then the last resort is just to close down the Steam application, click on your start menu and search for settings, and then click on the settings window. From the left hand side, select apps and then click on install apps. Using the search box, type in Steam, and then you just need to select the 3 horizontal dots and click uninstall, and then go ahead and uninstall this application from your computer. Once you're finished, you just need to head back over to an internet browser and you need to re-download Steam from the official website. So just click on this Install Steam button here and go through the steps to reinstall this to your device. And that's it guys, by following all of these steps, that should have now fixed the issue where the Steam Store's not working. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.